Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. In today's video guys, we'll be working on BMW 3 Series generation 2005 to 2013, and we will show you how to remove and replace front right interior door handle. The left side will be very close procedure with some minor differences in removing the door panel, but we'll have that on the channel as well. We'll have more than 200 videos taking this whole car apart guys, so if you need anything for that BMW, please subscribe, drop a comment below, we'll try to make the video for you. So all the tools and parts that we use will be listed in the description of the video below, so we'll show you how to remove it now and how to replace it. So now we need a plastic panel removal tool. There is a few clips holding that trim piece. Okay, we just need to start prying them out. Be careful not to break anything, take your time. It slides towards the back. You can see the last clip is like that. Now, you have to make sure that there is no clips left on those guides here, because those clips sometimes will come out and you need to make sure that they're situated here so you can install it later. After that, we need to remove a few screws, and those will be with Torx. Before we remove the screws, we need to remove this cover as well. This cover holds only on a few clips. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 clips that you have. And we have a few hidden bolts there as well. We're going to need a Torx. Okay, let me get it quick to show you. Torx 20. Okay, this start looking a bit like that. Okay, one is out. Second one. Perfect. Now we have, this is the third one that we're removing. Fourth will be right there. Also guys, please subscribe. Quite a few videos will be uploaded on this car, and again, if you need anything, just drop a comment. We'll try to make that video for you. It might take a little bit of time, but we'll do our best. Okay, this one got a little bit stuck, perfect. Now, we need to get a panel removal tool. Okay, a little bit fatter one. And we need to start popping the clips open. Okay, usually on one side you might have a little bit more of a gap so you can reach easier. The panel will come this way. Okay, it will come out this way. Do not lift it up, because you have like 5-6 clips probably up there. Okay, so we start doing that. Now, here we have to pull this way. Okay, still holding a little bit. Okay, perfect, came out. You have to make sure that the lock rod is there later. And now we need to disconnect all the wires, okay, and all the cables. So now we need to disconnect the door cable. That's the one for the interior door handle. You just pry on this side up a little bit and it will come out. That clip needs to come loose. After that, we need to disconnect the wires for the speakers. Pull those out. And lastly, we have to disconnect the window switch wire. Okay, there is one tooth right here that we need to pry just a little bit. Okay. the easiest way is actually to pull it out. Okay, let me get the tooth in. Okay, now we can pull it out. You just need to get the tooth out. And we have one more wire for the door light underneath. Okay, and the panel is out of the way. Let us show you where all the clips are now. So let's flip it on this side now. We have 1, 2, here, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 clips here. And on top you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips. All those clips will need to be, okay, those clips, the plastic ones, will need to be installed on the door panel in order to install it later. Otherwise it will not work. So those are replaceable as well. If yours are broken, you can replace them. So once you remove the door panel, you can get to the interior door handle pretty easy. You have all those clips, so you need to push them in and pull the handle out at the same time. And those will be, okay guys, those will be super tight, believe me. So we'll need a screwdriver to do that. You have to just do one at a time. Once you get 2 or 3 out, things will start going pretty easy after that. But the first 2-3 are super tight. So we got some of them loose. You have to just take your time. If you're replacing it, even if you break it, it's fine, but just don't break that plastic thing, because I will be the one holding the new handle too. Okay, so we need to do this one next. We need to start them in order. Okay, just one more holding. No, this one's still holding here. Okay, now right here we have a few, so you need to spread out on this side so it can sink in. Okay, like that. This is, guys, the interior door handle out of the way now. To get the replacement one, all you have to do, you have to just push it in. Okay, really hard. Align everything first. Make sure that all the clips are going where they're supposed to go. And you have to start pushing until it goes in all the clips. And you thought the hard part was to get it out. Now it's not easy to get it in as well. Okay, perfect. Now let's see what it looks on the outside. Okay, it looks great. So that's how you do it, guys. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.